Well, good evening. It's a nice Sunday night here in downtown Houston, and we're going to take a bike ride down Lamar Street all the way down to Bagby and go up north on Bagby up to George Bush Park. Let's go! Here is the Grove Restaurant Bar in view. It has a view of Discovery Green. It's a two-story restaurant, it's kind of a more upper scale. And I'm going to go ahead and take off because I've got about 3 seconds left to get across this intersection. But I have a tour of Discovery Green video out there in my library if you would like to take a look at it. It's pretty fun and it's very informative since I have pretty much everything in there with a pop-up label. I wanted to make it very tourist and local alike friendly. Making the lights better on this side than the last video I did where I was getting stuck at every single light. That was going up Austin Street from Midtown. This is the Main Street pedestrian area here, which I also have a video of. And I'm planning on next weekend, if the weather cooperates, doing a live stream. Here's the train coming, so we're probably going to have to wait for that to pass. Looked like there was someone trying to go around me on the wrong side when I was stopped illegally at the light, but they didn't make it. Here's Travis Street. Can't get away from that guy, can we? If you watch any of my other videos, you'll get the inside joke. William Barrett Travis. Travis County was named after him. He was also pretty much the one who made everything in the Alamo happen back in 1836. Missing a lot of the lights. Maybe it's just a downtown thing in general. I haven't done a lot of riding downtown here, but and my battery's doing very well. I got 4 out of 5 bars on it, and I've already gone about maybe 4 miles. Sometime soon here, although I will have to take a day off of work, I would like to do the 6-mile downtown Houston tunnel system challenge. And that consists of different areas of tunnels. You have to go in, go through it, come back out, and then after that, go find where it picks up again and enter there and repeat. Keep on going until you've done all of downtown Houston. That didn't sound very good. Oh, it's a bus, no wonder. And here is Bagby. And enter cycle track.
Okay. 48. 50.
Yeah.
It looked like that was a homeless shelter that was calling out numbers for who gets to stay there tonight. Never seen anything like that. But it's a heck of a thing to do on the cycle track, isn't it? And this white line is where you're supposed to stop. That way it doesn't impede any pedestrians or any wheelchaired vehicles or anything like that. This is completely separated by a curb, so it's very safe for cyclists. And we're kind of going downhill right here. A rare occurrence in Houston. And the train, I could see that I guess the train had to stop. And here's the downtown aquarium. All kinds of fun stuff down here. And there's a horse and buggy ×2 over there. And downhill and having to stop. Not fun. Bike lane ends. Use crosswalk. Okie dokie. This is Franklin Street. So this would be the end of the bike path. And I'm gonna go ahead and go on over here for a second. And we've reached the end of our ride. Thanks for sticking with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the Patreon. We'll see you in the next one.